Today we're diving into the top 5 drones that'll take your 2024 to new heights. Drones aren't just cool toys, they're flying cameras, adventurers, and epic content creators. But with so many choices, finding the perfect one can be a challenge. Don't worry, I've done the legwork and picked the best in different categories, so you can find your ideal flying pal. Let's take flight. The Mavic 3 Pro. This foldable marvel unfolds a world of possibilities, capturing breathtaking 4K video and 48 megapixel photos that exceed expectations. The 1-inch sensor delivers exceptional clarity, even in low-light conditions, ensuring every detail is captured with precision. Effortlessly navigate the skies with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and the AirSense transponder, providing peace of mind and confident flight. Unleash your creativity with diverse video styles like HDR and log, or let the drone's automated camera shots capture the story for you. A 30-minute flight time and a fast, stable transmission system unlock endless exploration. The Mavic 3 Pro is more than a drone. It's an investment in aerial excellence, elevating your photography to new heights. Experience the world from a different perspective and capture the extraordinary. The Mavic 3 Pro awaits. The HoverAir X1, a unique drone capable of hovering and capturing selfies of you and your friends, takes the crown as the best selfie drone on my list. This small, lightweight marvel can be easily controlled via smartphone or gesture sensor and boasts a 12-megapixel camera for crisp 4K video and a 360-degree rotation feature for inclusive shots. With face and body tracking technology, the X1 keeps you in the frame wherever you go. Enjoy up to 15 minutes of flight time and convenient USB-C charging, all for a budget-friendly price of $200. The perfect gift for yourself or your loved ones, the HoverAir X1 is the future of fun and easy selfie taking. The EXO Scout reigns supreme as the best beginner drone. Designed for user-friendly operation, it offers a durable and lightweight build, protected by a propeller cage for added safety. Capture the world through its 720-pixel camera, streaming live video directly to your smartphone, or even a VR headset for an immersive experience. Simplified flight controls make learning a breeze with one-key takeoff and landing, a headless mode that eliminates orientation concerns, and adjustable speed settings to match your comfort level. Explore for up to 10 minutes on a single charge, controlled by either the remote controller or intuitive voice commands. The EXO Scout empowers anyone, regardless of age or experience, to conquer the skies. At only $50, it's the perfect and affordable gateway to the world of drone flight. The DJI Mini3 Pro reigns supreme as the best compact drone for beginners. This palm-sized marvel packs a punch, capturing stunning videos and photos that belie its diminutive size. Fly worry-free thanks to its 249-gram weight, eliminating FAA registration requirements. Unleash your creativity with the 4K 60 camera, capturing footage in stunning SDR, HDR, or D-Log-M formats. Experiment with vertical video and upward camera tilt for unique perspectives. Advanced features like omnidirectional obstacle avoidance ensure a safe flight, while 2 remote control options provide flexibility. Explore for up to 25 minutes on a single charge, conveniently charging via USB-C. The DJI Mini3 Pro is the perfect companion for beginners seeking a compact and powerful drone. Choose the standard version for $9 or opt for the Fly More combo, which includes extra batteries and accessories for $8. This is your passport to unforgettable aerial adventures, no matter your skill level. Content creators, rejoice! The EXO Cinemaster 2 takes center stage as the ultimate drone for capturing cinematic footage with ease and style. This foldable marvel unfolds to reveal a 3-axis gimbal and a powerful 4K 60 camera, capable of recording in H.265 codec and 10-bit color for stunning visual fidelity. Unleash your inner filmmaker with a 1-to-1 0.7-inch sensor that delivers exceptional image quality and dynamic range, perfect for capturing every nuance and detail. Effortlessly create cinematic shots with pre-programmed flight modes like active track, point of interest, waypoints, and hyperlapse, letting the drone do the heavy lifting while you focus on unleashing your creativity. Explore for up to 35 minutes on a single charge, fueled by a long-lasting battery that keeps you powered up for extended shoots. The fast and reliable transmission system ensures smooth, lag-free footage, even at long distances. Invest in your content creation journey with the EXO Cinemaster 2. Starting at $999, it's your gateway to crafting breathtaking visuals that will captivate your audience. For the ultimate package, choose the Pro Bundle for $199, featuring extra batteries and accessories to power your creativity. Ascend to new artistic heights with the EXO Cinemaster 2. Did you find your perfect flying buddy? Let me know in the comments which drone sparked your inner aviator. For more gadget adventures, smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.